Gordas, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mama? No, Mama, what are you doing? Eating. Uh-oh, you dropped it. You dropped it. You know what? Oh, you dropped it again. Oh, you scared her. You know it. Mom?
What a fat ass.
Hope you know this is going on YouTube. You know, Facebook. In the background saying,
Ya cuando ella sepa que la están atrasando, es cuando le va a importar.
Look at it. You want some water, Mama? Tell Ryan, give me some water. Babe, she wants water. Tell her some water.